Good morning, students. Today is 31st May 2025. Today we learn a very interesting topic. Let me ask some questions. Will eat daily? Yes or no? You eat daily? Yes. So the food we eat, what happens to it? After eating the food, what happens to the food?
I don't know.
Okay. We eat the food. Okay. Food consists of different nutrients. Do you know the nutrients? It's carbohydrate or simply carbs. Then protein, fat, then vitamins, then minerals, then H2, water. So among these 6 nutrients, these two does not require digestion. These are simpler, but these are complex. These are complex foods or complex nutrients. So this needs what? Digestion. Carbohydrate after digestion produce what? Do you know what? After digestion carbohydrate produce what?
Google କହିଲେ this needs digestion, this needs simplification. These are complex and this needs
I come to this. What is carbs? After digestion, carbs produce what?
Not much.
So yeast produce glucose. Okay. After digestion, carbohydrate produce glucose. Protein, it's amino acid. Amino acid. Fat, fatty acid, and glycerol. Okay. So here is a problem with the student. He does not a definition of digestion.
Sorry.
Digestion means what? Breaking down or simplifying complex food into simpler ones. Okay. These are all complex foods. Carbohydrate, protein, fats. These are what? Complex food. By digestion, we making them simpler ones like glucose, amino acid, and fatty acid. So among these, the main the main simpler food that we eat in
our daily day-to-day activities.
for energy is what? Glucose. Okay. Glucose we need for what? For energy. Okay. Amino acid for what? What amino acid do in our body?
Building blocks.
It is produce what? Protein, and these are the what? Building blocks of our body. Fatty acid and glycerol. What this does in our body? Fatty acid and glycerol.
Storage.
It has very important function. One is it produce what? We our body has plasma membrane. Main function one is produce plasma membrane. Second main function is what? To make our body work. Okay. Make our body in lot of many functions. There is various functions, but these are two main functions.
I will cover it while reading fatty acids.
Our body work. To make body work. After producing these simpler ones, what happens? All these mixed with what? Absorb. These are absorb to blood. So blood, these nutrients travel to each of our cells of our body. So this process is called as assimilation. This process is called as
What is the function of glycerol?
Glycerol. Fatty acid produce fat and storage. Glycerol. What is? I think they are doing this work together. Process plasma membrane. Yes, plasma membrane concentrated था ना? Glycerol था स्टूडेंट. Cholesterol जमा भी.
helps in production of sterols in the body.
Different type of steroid formation help करे जोटा की building block
which नहीं plasma membrane नहीं which adds stability to the plasma membrane.
stability to the अलग
exact এটা NCT रे word আছে.
stability पड़ेगा.
Glycerol. Fatty acid.
Fatty acids and glycerol they combine to form sterols which add stability to plasma membrane. Exactly like that.
दूसरा कोई नहीं दूसरा तो मिसी के काम करो.
हाँ plasma membrane ସେମାନେ plasma membrane बनाते नहीं ସେମାନେ plasma membrane stability framework ଟା बनाते.
हाँ माने से
plasma membranes ର constitution କଣ lipids and proteins
प्रोटीन और कौन सी लिपिड
by lipid layer ଥାଏ ତ ସେ ଯୋଉ ସେ lipid और protein को stability ର କାମ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଏମାନେ
लिपिड कोड ତିଆରି ହେବ ଏଠି
ହଁ ସେଇଠି ବି ତିଆରି ହବ
ମୁଁ ସେଟା
structure framework
ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ କାମ. So
you are a good question.
So these nutrients first absorbed to blood and then through blood they comes to cell.
They are taken up by the cells.
So this process is called as assimilation. After this first second among these three
तर photosynthesis होची टॉपिक जे
ना
Oh.
cellular respiration change
चेंज कर देले
ସେଇଟା ତ ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ
so among these three cell the glucose is break down in cell. Glucose is break down in cell.
glucose is broken down
breakdown देखो ना broken down
glucose is broken down
हाँ सर ठीक है मुझे शॉर्ट लेके चाहो
पूरा ठीक है
glucose is broken down in cell to form what? That's do you know what the process we call it from food to energy? What process? The food cell takes and from the food it produce what? Energy. So today we learn about this process by which cells produce energy by breaking down food, that is what? Glucose. Can you name the process?
respiration
No, it's called as cellular respiration. Let me rub it.
सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन ସେଇଠି କହିବୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ନହେଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଏନର୍ଜିଟା କହୁଛୁ ହେଲା ସେଇଟାରେ କହିବୁ ଏସିମିଲେସନ୍ ୱାର୍ଡଟା ଆଡ୍ କର କିନ୍ତୁ ଏସିମିଲେସନ୍ଟା ବୁଝେଇ ଦେଲୁ ନା ତ ତୁ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛୁ ନା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଫୁଡ୍ରୁ ଯୋଉ ଏନର୍ଜିକୁ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ ହେବାର ହେଲା ସେଲ୍ସ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିକି ତ ସେଲ୍ସ ଏସିମିଲେଟ୍ ଦି ଫୁଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ ଏନର୍ଜି ଏଇଟା କହିଲେ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ଶୁଭାଯିବ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ
तो क्या बोले
ସେଲଟେ
ମୋର ଏଇଟା ବି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଥିଲା ହେଲା ଏ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଲେଖିଦେଲି ନା ବୋର୍ଡଟା ଫୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ପୁରା ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଲିଭେଇକି ନ ଲିଭେଇକି ମୁଁ ସାଇଡରେ ଲେଖି ଲେଖି ଚାଲିଥିଲି ବୋର୍ଡଟା ପୁରା ଜାମ୍ ହେଇଗଲା
ଯୋଉ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଖାଲି ଲିଭିବ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ପାର୍ଟଟା ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଲିଙ୍କ୍ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଲିଭିବ
ସେଇଟା ସେମାନେ ବି କହିଲେ ଯୋଉଟା ଲିଙ୍କ୍ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ରଖିବ ଆଉ ମୋର ତ ପୁରା ଲିଙ୍କ୍ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବି ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ମାନେ F1ଟା ସରିଲା F2 ଗ୍ରୁପଟା ଆଣିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଜାଗା ନାହିଁ ବୋର୍ଡ ଆଉ F1ଟା ନହେଲେ F2ଟା କରିବି କେମିତି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଗଲା
So today we learn about the process cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. Don't get confused with the respiration. Okay. So respiration is is just the exchange of gas between the organism and the environment. It is cellular respiration. So let me first write a definition. What we call a cellular respiration. So it is a process by which cell breaks down glucose. Can you name the chemical formula of glucose? What it is?
C6H12O6
अरे सुन लो
C6H12. Yeah.
ये जोटा तो कहूँ फास्ट को सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन डोंट कंफ्यूज विद रेस्पिरेशन normal respiration which we have heard or normally everyone think of respiration which it takes place at alveolar level, but cellular respiration takes place at cellular level to assimilate complex foods into to assimilate the absorb food particles and convert it into energy.
ना सामान्य फास्ट रेस्पिरेशन टा पढ़ितो ना
हाँ सर respiration पढ़िचंती से कहू the word respiration which you know is occurs at alveolar level.
alveolar level cellular level.
बंद कर दो
It is a process by which cell breaks down glucose to form energy. So this is nothing but a glucose undergoes cellular respiration. How much energy? It is 673 kilocalorie energy.
तो डायरेक्ट तो लिख दो पिला कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे.
So
How much energy we will calculate it.
सेटा में एटीपी हिसाब कर रहा ना इरेंट स्टोरेज
এটা হিসাব করে করিও বলে
এটা কেটে হিসাব করবা আমি এটা হিসাব করবা
गुटे एटीपी केते एनर्जी दिए केते किलो कैलोरी सेटू 38 एटीपी बाहरुची
म्हणजे सेंथे क्याल्कुलेट आपण सेटा करने हम पगला है जे ଆମେ ଏଟା ଏଠି ଏନର୍ଜି ଭାଲୁଛି ଆମେ ଏस्ଟିमेଟ ଏଠି ଏନର୍ଜି
सर पचारिबे ना सेटा कोठु आसला पुनी पचार देबे सिस्टमेटिक टा आनलु कोठु
और एटा एस्टिमेट में बाहर कर जे हम जो क्रिएट करा है बाहर करा है
673 किलो
तो तू लिखि दो उसने वाटा से माने पचारिबे तू सेटा जानलु केंदी से माने बाहर करछु
सेटा ଗୋଟେ थियोरेटिकल ଗୋଟେ ଥାଏ ନା जैसे कि भागे में एई पाखा पाखे एनर्जी भागो तापरे एटीपी रे चेंज करता हम बुझेबे
ସେଟା ଲେଖନି ନଟ
ठीक है देख नहीं जाने पचारिबे सेटा कोठु आनलु
ଯେତେ ସିମ୍ପଲ କରିବ ନା
तो प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी हाउ मच एनर्जी वी विल कैलकुलेट इट सेटा तो टाइम पहुंचिबे
डिबे दरकार नहीं कोई कोई चल
So this process can be written as the following. So first, this cellular is to be called as intracellular process. Intracellular. Why do we call it intracellular process? There is two one. One is intra, and one is cellular. Intra means first. Within, okay, cellular means cell level. Cell. So this process occurs totally inside the cell. Okay. So this process is called as a intracellular process. So I will write it down. H. This process occurs totally within the cell. So this process is called as intracellular process. Then next we call it catabolic process.
तो तो बॉटनी में जी तो मन जूलॉजी पढ़ो जो
क्या जूलॉजी
अरे जूलॉजी नहीं को
क्या जूलॉजी मो पिला में बुझिया पे कहूछ ना तो सेठ में हम कहबे लास्ट जेट एमता जिन
को काटा बोली जी बाना बोली जी मुडा
ना 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 सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन तो जूलॉजी टॉपिक टा
ना ना बहुत तरह है प्लांट सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन मतलब लास्ट टाइम जे तुम बड़े
एंडिंग स्टेज रे प्लांट रे भी नहीं
तुम बड़े जेमती कहूँ देखो सर प्लांट रे से एका प्रोसेस रे so this is called as catabolic process as we know we previously read what about photosynthesis okay photosynthesis what type of process it is anabolic process okay so this is catabolic process means something is breaking down to form a new product okay so here what is breaking down
नहीं बे समथिंग इज ब्रेकिंग डाउन काटाबोलिक माने कॉम्प्लेक्स वन इज ब्रेकिंग डाउन टू फॉर्म ए सिंपल वन एनाबोलिक माने फॉर्मेशन
ମୁଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କହିଥିଲି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ କୁ ସିମ୍ପଲ ସେଇଟା ଆଉଥରେ କହିବ
okay sir so what is catabolic process here something complex product is breaking down into simpler products so what is breaking down here glucose breaks down to form energy. So as glucose is breaking down in this process, this is called as catabolic process. Next, this process is also called as exergonic oblique exothermic process.
10 मिनट 15 मिनट पाई गला नहीं देगा
समाने यदि करते फास्ट फास्ट जानी होना केटा केटा टाइम हो चिकन exergonic exergonic by exothermic process why it is called as exergonic process as this process produce energy okay? The chemical reaction in which energy is produced we call this as exergonic by exothermic process as this process produce energy so it is called as
ताको सेटा एनर्जीटा जो प्रोड्यूस होची सेटा होची केमती कहबो से पचारिबा ना से एनर्जीटा प्रोड्यूस केमती होची
हां सर ये ग्लूकोज इज ब्रेकिंग डाउन टू फॉर्म एनर्जी
तो एनर्जीटा कोन प्रोड्यूस होची
हां बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग तरह एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होची
सेटा कहबो जो ट्रैप्ड एनर्जीटा बॉन्ड भीतर होची से कॉम्प्लेक्स रे बॉन्ड ब्रेक होची सेति में एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होची
now this cellular respiration is of two types according to availability of oxygen depend on the availability of oxygen it is of two types one is aerobic anaerobic what is aerobic during this process the process gets oxygen this process if this process occur in the presence of oxygen this process means cellular respiration the cellular respiration occurs in presence of oxygen we call this aerobic respiration if it occur in absence of oxygen we call this anaerobic process as it occur in presence of oxygen complete breakdown of glucose takes place complete breakdown of glucose is completely break to form energy so as this process taken place in absence of oxygen incomplete breakdown of glucose takes place what is complaint going to be who is coming to this process okay if it is complete breakdown so energy is what we get energy is more okay so here we get 36 or either 38 kp here as it is incomplete breakdown of energy As here, incomplete data and glucose text that is low energy is the less amount of energy is produced. That is only 2 ATP. Here, it is long process, but produce more energy. Produce more energy. It is slow but fast. It is short. It is short process, but fast and produce less energy.
ठीक ଅଛି ଭାଇ ଲେନ୍ଦି ହଉଛି
हाँ
ଲେନ୍ଦି ଟିକେ ହଉଛି
हाँ ठीक है
ବହୁତ ଲେନ୍ଦି ହଉଛି ଟିକେ ନୁହେଁ ବହୁତ 15-20 ମିନିଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲା
ना फास्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टा ଟିକେ ବେଶୀ ଲେंथ ହେଇଗଲା ମାନେ ଏଟା ଠିକ ଚାଲିଛି
ଆगे ବେଶୀ थियोरेटिकल ପଢଉଥିଲା ବେଶୀ ଲେଖତେ ହଉଛି ଆଉ
ଲେଖି ଲେଖି ପଢେଇଥିବ ନା କିଛି କହିଲେ ମୁହଁରେ ହବନି
ମୁଁ ବି ସେଟା ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ଯେ ଲେଖି ଲେଖି ପଢେଇବା ନା ଖାଲି
ମାନେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଟର୍ମ ଗୁଡାକ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବାନି
ଇଏ ତ ସବୁ
ତୁ ସବୁ ମାନେ ଯାହା କହୁଛୁ ସେୟା ଲେଖି ଚାଲିଛୁ ସେମିତି ତ କହିଲେ ସେଟା 15 ମିନିଟ୍ ସରିବନି ସେଇଟା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ତୁ ତାକୁ କହିବୁ ଧର ଫୁଡ ଟା 6 ପାର୍ଟସ ରେ ଡିଭାଇଡ ହେଇଛି ବେସିକାଲି ମେନଲି তোমার কোন ଅଛି তুমি ଜାଣିଛ ଯୋଉ
ତୁମେ ଏଇଟା କହୁଛ ନା ହେଲା ବାକି ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଲେଖିଲିନି ବୋଲି ମୋତେ କବି କହିଲେ ହେଲା ମାନେ ଟର୍ମ ଗୁଡା ବୁଝେଇଲିନି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କ୍ରସ୍ କରିକି ଚିତ୍ର ଗୁଡା ବୁଝେଇଦେଲି
ମେନ୍ ମେନ୍ ଟର୍ମ ଗୁଡା ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖତେ ହଉଛି ସବୁ ଏମିତି ଲଙ୍ଗ
ବାକି ଏତେ ଲେଖନି ଏତେ ଲେଖିଲେ କଣ ସାଇଡ୍ ଏଟା ସରିବନି
ଏଟା କହିଦେଲେ ବି ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଏଟା ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ହବ ହେଲା
ନା ଏରୋବିକ୍ ଏରୋବିକ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖୁଛ ନା ଖାଲି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ସେତିକି ଆର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା କିଛି ଲେଖନି ଯୋଉଟା ମୁହଁରେ କହିଦବ
ଏଟା ଅପସନ ମାନେ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ କରିଦିଅ
ସେଟା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସବସେନ୍ସ କରିଦବ ସରିଲା କି ମାନେ ଏତେ ଲେଖିଲେ ନା ସମୟ ହବନି
ନା ସର୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ଲେଖିବ
ହଁ ସର୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ୟୁଜ କରିବ ତ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ବୁଝଉଛେ ଏଟା କି ନୋଟ ଟା ବୁଝ ନା ଟିକେ କଣ
ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଏମ୍ଟି
so this process generally hold time okay when we get the oxygen this process takes place normally this process takes place when anaerobic takes place when we get less oxygen okay during running okay during exercising if we muscles with our muscles get less oxygen in that case the aerobic respiration switches to anaerobic respiration okay
पॉलिनेशन पड़े रे
सरला ओटा स्टेप्स पूरा करना सीधा एटकी मेन एटकी जगह पास थे मैं या पर तो स्टेप्स पूरा
ना
करना
एटकी जगह आसी जो सेटा কথা নয় বাকি বিটে লেংদি হଉଛି বুঝি পারছো তো মানে কেমনে
सामान
শর্ট রে সারবো সেটা
शॉर्ट ले सेटा कह देने समय पार्ट कर ले
हां সেটা তো কହୁଛନ୍ତି বাকি ଆମକୁ ଏତେ ସମୟ ସେଠି ଦେବେ ଏତେ ସମୟ ଦେଲେ 10ଟା ପିଲା ଆମକୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ସାରି ପାଇବେ
ସବୁଠୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ वे कोन जाने फ्लो चार्ट तो फ्लो चार्ट नहीं
केन फ्लो चार्ट नहीं स्टार्टिंग रे करथिला
और स्टार्टिंग में करथला तापर फ्लो चार्ट गायब होला
तापर तो नोट लिखिवा आरंभ करदन
नोट को ते पिला को मन कहि रहयो जदी तते भी कहिले से माने कहू सर गोटे जिंसटा को ओइ जे फ्लो चार्ट
एटा देले फ्लो चार्ट करी मते कोन
करियो
केन फ्लो चार्ट
हां सेटा तो को जिया
एबी तुम करिছো गुटे करছো फास्ट
ना ना एटा तो जाने लिखते हो
ना सी डेफिनेशन टा भी फ्लो चार्ट रे रहयो सेटा करले ताको तू तापर ताको कोन बुझेइबो सर आजिकल जो बही जन सब जोटा पढुछन पूरा गप पढुछन बट सेही जिंसटा को जदी मो दाओ बेसिक मेन पॉइंट्स को फ्लो चार्ट आकार दाओ माइंड रे इम्प्रिंट करि परिबी ताहाले से माने एटलीस्ट
ए लाइन फ्लो चार्ट कर एटा नहीं करलो हला एटा फ्लो चार्ट हैला
अरे खाली डिवीजन को फ्लो चार्ट करा जाय सब किछि ଗୋଟେ डेफिनेशन आमे सेही जिंस हम मेडिकल ले सबले कोन हमर तू किछि भी डेफिनेशन लिखि दउ जदी पूरा सुन पाइबो तू कोठी
मोर एते डेफिनेशन अछि मने रहइबो
ना ना डेफिनेशन कथा बोलने कोनती नहीं सेने कोनती हमको गप दरकार नहीं खाली पॉइंट गोटे वर्ड जे दरकार वर्ड लिखिबो ना ठीक है ना डेफिनेशन टा भी फ्लो चार्ट करिवो
ना अंजु मैडम को देखि छी हला के फास्ट एटा सब ठीक अछि से कर ले हला
ना ना अंजु मैडम को तुम फॉलो करो कि पाई कोन जीवन से हमको एते नोट की पाई दे से चाहे जे पूरा टॉपिक टा कवर हो जनता बाहर क्वेश्चन न पड़ो एला एटी हमको की अछि बुझिबार अछि
बुझना अछि पिला तो किछि
हम जे शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल लोक मो उच्च जैक्सन को जे फ्लो चार्ट करते मो को शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल लोक
मो सिंपल लोक छी बरा कॉम्प्लेक्स वन बड़ा सिंपल लोक छी समस्त बुझि पारे टिके लेंथ हे छी
लेंथी हो छी सिंपल तो अछि कि लेंथी हो केन तो कहू जो पूरा के ऑक्सीजन नहीं होची ठीक हो जे लेंथी हो माने टिके ना बहुत हो 8 मिनिट पाठटा आधा घंटा ही हो
मोर सेंती गोटे गोटे क्लास पढा 2 घंटा में पढाते हैं
सेठी स्कूल रे କିଛି କହିବେନି ନା ମୁଁ ବି ତ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପଢାଏ କ୍ଲାସ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନିଅନ୍ତି ନା ଖାଲି ପଢିଥାଏ କ୍ଲାସ୍
हां सही
ସବୁଆडे ସେଇ गला प्राइमरी का बेस्ट समय हो जाएगा प्राइमरी का टोटल आसन दिन क्लास में रेकॉर्डिंग दा छाड़ी दो सीधा ही हो
किना
रेकॉर्डिंग दा करछो छाड़ी दो सीधा ही हो
इंग्लिश में ठीक रहउछ लैंग्वेज
इंग्लिश तो मैं पूरा इंग्लिश बोल अरे स्लो हो जाओ स्लो तो हमें तो
स्लो जा अभ्यास ही मोर तो
हमें तो कोई परिवार नहीं जो हम इंडिया में
स्लो करते स्लो करा करते ना अभ्यास नहीं जाए स्लो
ମୁଁ
भाया करते हो जो
ମୁଁ ତ ସେ कोई परिवार नहीं ओडिया रे कोन से मारियो
रिएक्शन देखिए फर्स्ट विल सी एनारोबिक रिएक्शन या प्रोसेस होगा
खाता जो बड़ा समय लिखलो से तरीके
So anaerobic respiration is what? When the cellular respiration takes place without oxygen. It is of two types. One is lactic acid fermentation. Another is alcohol.
এটা গুডে পড়ো অসুবিধা আছে
Alcoholic fermentation.
এই গুডে পড়ো আগে এরোবিক এনারোবিক বুঝা গেল রেসপিরেশন ইজ টু টাইমস অ্যাকর্ডিং টু প্রেজেন্স অফ অক্সিজেন তারপরে
এইটা কয়টা বার শুনে সেটা করা কথা এরোবিকটা
না যেটা সেটা না গুডে পড়ো এতে বড় মানে বহুত ভাস্ট ইউজ
So in lactic acid fermentation, what happens here is the glucose first converted into what? Pyruvic acid, okay, and then the pyruvic acid converted into lactic acid, and energy and 2 ATP. In alcoholic fermentation, the same glucose is converted into first pyruvic acid, then into alcohol, that is ethanol. The formula of ethanol, what is it? C2H5OH. Here also alcohol plus 2 ATP, but here extra CO2 is produced, which is not produced here. Okay.
नो फ्लो चार्ट আছে নেক্সন দেখছো না না
Project.
সেটা তো রিঅ্যাকশন অফ চার্ট
না এটা টোটাল এটা ডেসক্রাইব
না সে ডেসক্রাইব করুছি তাহলে শুনো না সে ডেসক্রাইব করুছি কি কিছু লেখুনি ডাইরেক্ট ফ্লো চার্ট
lactic acid. So lactic acid it expressed here in our muscles. Okay. Lactic alcoholic fermentation here occurs what in yeast. But this is all about anaerobic respiration. There is one enzyme is required but not for this one is enough.
কিটা বলবো না
Salan.
আমি আছে ବହୁତ ଅଛି ଶୋରୁମ୍ ଟପିକ୍
এটা ভাস্ট টপিক হবে না
ମାନେ ଏତେ ବଡ଼ ନିଅ ନିବାରା କହି ଦେଇଛୁ ତ ତୁମେ ଆଉଥରେ ଏନା ଆଉଥରେ ଦେବ ହେଲା ଆଉଥରେ ଦେବ
ନା ଗୋଟେ କହିଦେ କହିଲେ ମୋର ଟିକେ ଇଏ
ନା ଏନା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଉଥରେ ଦେବ ଛୋଟ କରିଦେବ
ତମେ ପଇସା ନା ତାର
ଆଉଥରେ ମୁଁ ବି ଆଉଥରେ ତାପରେ କହିବି ମୋର ବି ହେଉଛି ମାନେ ଏତେ ମୋର ବି ତ ଆଜି 15 ମିନିଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲା
So this now aerobic respiration. Okay. So this respiration is what? When cellular respiration takes place in presence of oxygen, it is called as aerobic respiration. So here glucose, which is what is the formula glucose? C6H12O6. Glucose in presence of what? oxygen produce energy energy which can be stored in ATP. Okay. How much ATP is produced? As we see in anaerobic respiration, there is only 2 ATP is produced. But in anaerobic respiration, as I written earlier, it is either 36 or 38 ATP is produced, along with what? H2O and carbon dioxide. So you may wonder where is 36 ATP is produced and where 38 ATP is produced. Let me clear this. So we know organisms are two types. One is prokaryote and one is what? Eukaryote. Okay. So in prokaryotes, how much ATP is produced? As we know, in prokaryotes, the simplest organism, okay, they don't have cell organelles except ribosome, membrane bound cell organelles. So here 38 ATP is produced. Okay. In eukaryotes, these are also two types, mainly two types. One is animals, another is plants. In animals, there are two types of sorter system are present. Glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate sorter system. SS means sorter system. Another is malate aspartate sorter system. Remember, if the anaerobic respiration goes through this, it will produce 36 ATP. I come to this where it is present and how it produces 36 ATP. And if the cellular respiration takes place through this malate aspartate sorter system, it produces 38. Here, one is 36 and another is 38 ATP. But in plants, this sorter system is not present. Only malate aspartate sorter system is present. Okay. Malate aspartate sorter system. So, how many ATP are produced here? Can you say how much ATP is produced here?
38.
38. Very good. 38 ATP is produced. Clear?
कोई chocolate भाई.
So 38 ATP in prokaryotes, 38 ATP in eukaryotes, animals. There are variation. If the process goes through glyceraldehyde phosphate system, it is 36 ATP. If it goes through malate aspartate system, it is 38 ATP. But in plants, only malate aspartate system is present, so 38 ATP produced. Now you see stages. Which stages this ATP are produced? The first stage is known as glycolysis. Second,
Oxidative
oxidative decarboxylation by gateway pathway link reaction. Different names are. This is called as Krebs cycle. There is some scientist known Krebs who discovered this cycle, but according to his name is Krebs cycle. This is also called as TCA cycle. I don't know what
Krebs cycle, TCA cycle, citric acid cycle.
citric acid. Citric.
First stable compound जोटा cycle.
glycolysis टा EMP करता होगा.
Next also. It was EMP.
By amphibollic pathway.
इतने समय देते
There's ATS, electron transfer system. So glycolysis takes place in the cell cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, oxidative decarboxylation is mitochondrial matrix. Mitochondrial matrix. Krebs cycle takes place in also mitochondrial matrix. But ATS takes place in what? Inner mitochondrial.
What is cytoplasm? What is cytoplasm?
Cytoplasm is a liquid where in which the cell organelles are housed.
What is the difference between protoplasm and cytoplasm?
What difference? Okay, I will come. Very good question.
You are a good question.
Very good. You are a good person.
କହିବନି
You are a good.
ନା ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ କହିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ
Very good with You are a good question.
ଛୁଆମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିହବ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିବନି ସେ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ମାନେ କି ଭାଇ ଇଂଲିଶ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମଟା ଆମର ରହିଯାଉଛି ହେଲା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେଇଟା ଅସୁବିଧା
ନା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ସ୍ଲୋ କହୁଛି ନା।
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ସ୍ଲୋ କହୁଛୁ ନା ଆମ ସ୍ପୋକେନ୍ ଇଂଲିଶ ଆମ ନାହିଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିଡ଼ିୟମରେ ଜୀବନ ସାରା ପଢ଼ିବ ଜୀବନ ସାରା କଟିଗଲା ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ପଢ଼ଉଛି ବି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ
ସେଇଟା ଅସୁବିଧା ଯଦି ଆମେ ନ ପଢ଼ିଥାନ୍ତେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପଢ଼ିଥାନ୍ତେ ତାହେଲେ
ଇଂଲିଶରେ ପଢ଼େଇକି ଖେଦେଇ ଦେବେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ବାହାର ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଦେବେନି କ୍ଲାସରେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ପଢ଼େଇ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ ନା ଛୁଆ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଂଲିଶରେ ପଢ଼େଇବା ଓପିଏସସିଟା ସବୁ କିଛି ଇଂଲିଶରେ ହେବା ଠିକ୍ ହେଲା ବାକି ଡେମୋ କ୍ଲାସ୍ଟାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବା କଥା କି କାରଣ ଆମେ ତ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିଡ଼ିୟମ୍ ପଢ଼େଇବା ନା
ସେ ଛୁଆଟା କିଛି ଆମେ ତ ଇଂଲିଶ
ସେଇ ତ କଥା ଆମେ ତ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିଡ଼ିୟମ୍ ପଢ଼େଇବା ନା ଡେମୋ କ୍ଲାସ୍ଟାକୁ ଫ୍ରି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବା ଆଉ ସବୁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ନିହାତି ଦରକାର ମାନେ ପର୍ସନାଲିଟି ଆସେସମେଣ୍ଟ
ହଉ ବି ଦେଖ
As you can see, whiteboard is the whiteboard is not supporting the class. So the class no more.
no more. So previous program we see
Maji koi isi program Mendel was known as father of genetics. Mana abhi aap naam mana honi.
So as we see the maximum stages of the elevation takes place in what? Mitochondria. So very low structure of mitochondria. So you can better understand. So this is outer membrane of mitochondria. This is inner membrane of mitochondria, and this structure the proteins that are ours, which are called as crystal. Crystal one and crystal one. And the liquid structure that is present inside the inner mitochondria it is called as mitochondrial matrix. So first stage is glycolysis.
Glycolysis oxidative सोगा पड़ेगा.
ना कल लेके कैटेगरी तैयारी करो और बायोलॉजिस्ट
मोर अपने स्टेप का पड़ेगा. Glycolysis
राशि भाई
10 steps. दुई दिन इंटरव्यू होगा.
So okay. So much. So glycolysis this step what takes place in aerobic as well as anaerobic. ମୁଁ ତ କାଲି
ଏଇଟା ଲେଖିବନି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖୁଛ ନା ଏଇଟା ଲେଖିବନି ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଦେବ ଏରୋବିକ୍ କମା ଦେଇକି ଏରୋବିକ୍ କହିବ ତୁମେ ଏଇଟା
ହଁ
ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ
ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଗଧ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଲେଖିଲେ ମୋର ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
ନା ସେ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ନୋଟ୍ ଡାକିଲେ କି ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ହେଲା ନୋଟ୍ ସବୁବେଳେ ଡାକ
ସେ ଗଧ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ତ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ନେଇକି ପଢେଇବୁ
ମୁଁ ତ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ରେ
ଗୁଗଲ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ୍ କରିବୁ ପଢିବୁ
ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଗୁଗଲ ନୁହେଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମକୁ ଦେଇଛି ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଫ୍ରି ରେ ଯେ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ରୁ ପଠାଉ ବୋଲି
ହଁ ସେ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍
ସବୁ ସୁବିଧା କରି ଦେଇଛି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ତ ବଢିଆ ସେ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଗୋଟେ
ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଦବ ପଢେଇବ
ନେକ୍ସଟ ମାରିକି ଯିବୁ ସରିଲା ତମ 5 ମିନିଟ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍
ଭାଇ ଏଇଠି ତ ଅଲଗା
one glucose under this process form one molecule of glucose which is 6 carbon produce 2 molecules of pyruvic acid that is along with 2 ATP and 2 NADH. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, NADH stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide reduced. S means reduced compound. Next is octave carbonation. This is a gateway part here. What happens here is the pyruvic acid converts into acetyl coenzyme and the enzymes use it pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Here, along with 2CO2, 2 pyruvate acid, 2 CO2 and 2 NADH. Next is Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle. Here, 2 acetyl coenzyme react with oxaloacetic acid. This is 2 carbon. This is 2 carbon. This is 4 carbon. So they produce what? Citric acid. Citric acid. Yes, this is the first stable product of this reaction. So this process is also known as citric acid cycle. So the citric acid fathers undergo several steps to produce. It is cyclic process to produce serum again oxaloacetic acid. Through these steps, what is the byproduct? It gives 6 NADH, 2 FADH, 2 ATP, and 4.
चला
No, no, no.
only 2 FADH,
टाइम का जीरो
ATP नहीं GTP.
हाँ, एजीटीपी टा एटीपी कन्वर्ट है।
সেটা তো লাস্ট হবে না, তো এটি কেমন করে দউছি এটিপি দেব
না, এইটি কনভার্ট है। সেটি তো
अरे सुनो କେତେ ହେଲାନି ଜାଣିଛ ଟାଇମ୍ 35 ପ୍ଲସ୍ ମାନେ ଆଗରୁ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ
ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କରି ପାଣି ପିଇ ଦେବି କହିଲେ ଘଣ୍ଟେ ଖାଲି କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନେବି ସେଠି
ଘଣ୍ଟେ ପଡ଼ିବ
টাইম ম্যানেজমেন্টটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট আছে।
ମୋର ଆଜି ଅସୁବିଧା ସେଇଟା ହେଲା
42 ମିନିଟ୍
42 ମିନିଟ୍ ପୁରା 45 ମୁଁ ହିସାବ କରୁନି ମୋର ଆଜି ଅସୁବିଧାଟା ସେଇଠି ହେଲା ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଟାଇମ୍ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟର ମାନେ ମୁଁ କେଉଁଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବି କେଉଁଠି ସାରିବି ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି 8 ମିନିଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଲିମିଟେଡ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ହେଉଛି ନା ନା ତୁମେ ଟପିକ୍ଟା କହିଲି ପରା ଛୋଟ କରିଦେବ ଏରୋଟିକ୍ କେନ୍ ରୋଟିକ୍ ଯେଟା ଗୋଟେ ପଡ଼ିବ এটা প্র্যাকটিস করে এমনি পড়লে ঠিক আছে তারপরে ছোট করব
না মানে এনার্জি ক্যালকুলেশন কোন কি ক্রিয়া করে বাকি আছে না the energy is calculated through equation. So first is for glycolysis, then oxidative carbonation, then cycle. NADH, FADH, ATP. So glycolysis, among 2 NADH, no FADH, 2 ATP, and no CO2. In oxidative carbonation, 2 NADH, no FADH, no ATP, 2 CO2. In Krebs cycle, 6 NADH, 2 FADH, 2 ATP, 4 CO2. If we add total, how much NADH is produced? Total 10 NADH. Then how much FADH? It is 2. How much ATP? 4. How much CO2? 6. Okay. So now these coenzymes and ATP go through ETS, that is electron transport system. ET system, which is present in inner mitochondrial membrane, which is called membrane. Okay. If this goes through ETS, this 1 NADH produce how much ATP? 3 ATP. FADH 2 ATP. So 10 NADH produce how much ATP? 30 ATP. 2 2 FADs produce how much ATP? 4 ATP, and this is already we know ATP from. Okay. So total how many ATPs are produced? 30 plus 4 plus 4, that is 38 ATP. This 38 ATP produced by in ATS through what? Movement of electrons and protons by high complexes. Complex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First complex is what? NADH dehydrogenase. Second is FADH dehydrogenase. Third is cytochrome B C1. Fourth is cytochrome A3. Third is F0 F1 by FPH. So ATP is produced in the last
टाइप कोड यूज करेंगे
F0 F1
लास्ट आप और
ATPH. So ATP is produced from this coenzyme ATP in the last what? Complex system, and here the oxygen is taking this electron and proton to form a state. So this is the entire process of cellular respiration. I hope you understand well. If you have questions coming for you, I will be welcome. Thank you.
पूछो क्वेश्चन बताओ
अच्छा NADH प्रोटीन
Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide.
NADPH
NAD will extra.
NADPH
NADPH টা percentage ratio.
ये जो फॉस्फेट गुड़ा लगी जो फॉस्फेट हो
FADH रे
Flavin. हाँ?
प्लाविन
Flavin पर? हाँ. Flavin adenine dinucleotide.
हाइड्रोजनेस
हाँ dehydrogenase. Complex है ना FAD माने এটা reduce conversion এটা सब. आगे बोलने से
खाली फ्लाविन था ना फ्लाविनोमाइड था
Flavinoid.
चेक कर
तो तो
मैं प्लाविन था
Flavin है ना? काफी जैसे माता बोली साहब फुल करते
सब ठीक होची फास्ट पार्ट टा टिके
ये लिख दी इस फास्ट पार्ट मु एक्चुअली जेंति लेक्चर तुम कर ले मु टिके इन स्कूल ले पड़ा सेटा मु पके देबो स्कूल ले मु पढ़ा
এটা বন্ধ করো